Hello everyone, this is Eric from SAML Organization. I'm very honored to present our project on NumFocus 2026, the Best of Open Source Software Town Hall series. In this talk, I will highlighting both my work within the SAML ecosystem and their broader impact on the scientific computing community. My research focuses on scientific machine learning and high-performance computing, with a special focus on numerical methods for differential equations and fast algorithms. My work in SAML Organization is to develop efficient boundary value problem solvers and extend them to the high-fidelity modeling area. For instance, our recent efforts concentrate on reformulating dynamical optimization problems through fast collocation solvers, while tightly integrating these methods into the broader SAML ecosystem. Through this approach, we have achieved significant improvements in computational efficiency and scalability.